Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Deltana MDH30 in a US15 finish. Here's what it looks like. Okay, so this is comprised of the business end of that, the post, and because of what this is being so universal, there's no hard and fast rule about where or how you're going to install it. It can be mounted to the floor, it could be mounted to the door, it could be mounted to the wall, whatever you like. There is a mounting plate back here which I'm going to remove. Show that to you. And by the way, these weigh about 4/10 of a pound each, so they're actually quite substantial. The body is brass, that's a magnet, not much happening there. Of course, this portion, the part that has to be magnetic, is of course magnetic, ferrous based. So you've got your mounting portion, that's here. You are going to attach this to the wall, door, floor, whatever. Screws are included, and they're all here. You can get 3 plastic anchors should you need those as well, which would get you this portion attached. Okay, so you're going to attach this to the wall with the screw sticking out. That's got a square prep in the underside of it so the screw can't turn. So you'll get that screwed down, then you're going to come with the holder portion, threads inside of there. Okay? You're just going to basically, turn that, thread that down until it's tight onto what it's doing. Okay? I think you get the concept of what I'm doing. Then, of course, you have the other portion, and I've got it disassembled, so let me just put it back together real quick. Okay, there it is. And what's nice about this is you can approach this situation from any angle that you can imagine, really. That's why people like these, because it just solves problems. A common question on these is, will it hold when you've got a door closer? Depends. The answer is no. Might it work? Maybe. But the answer, the technical answer is no. Door closers typically require less force than what this can handle. Or I should say, the hydraulic cylinder is putting more static pressure on closing the door than what this magnet can handle. It might work, depends on your application, and the degree of opening, where the closer is most efficient at doing its job. If you've got it open to 105 degrees, it might hold open. If you've got it at 175 degrees, it might open. If you've got it at 45 degrees, obviously you would not do that, but it may not work. With light-duty door closers, it would, I think. Very light-duty. Nothing commercial, and certainly nothing heavy-duty. If you've got a door closer that costs more than $50, it's likely not going to work. This is available in several different finishes. Let me show you this end. So you've got a threaded cap that's down here, and of course that's spring-loaded. Okay, this threaded cap comes off. Be careful, there's a spring inside of there. There's your spring. Here's your thimble portion. That goes inside. Then your finished housing. That's also brass. Okay. 2 screws. There's going to be a couple of screws in here. Those are countersunk, but there are no flathead screws inside here, so you'll attach that to whatever you're doing. Same principle then. Take your housing, take your thimble, take your spring, and then you'll need to, get that on there. And of course it'll be screwed down, so it'll be easy to thread on. You just, thread that onto the base. Then you're all set. Deltana is a real comprehensive importer of trim and auxiliary hardware. They have some unique solutions. They have always, in my opinion, I think in others as well, very good fit and finish on their hardware. Their material is always clean, always well packaged. The material always looks very nice when it arrives. Clients are always, without exception, pleased with the fit and finish. Their customer service is quite excellent. Their inventory is superb. If they're out of stock on it, which is very unusual, what I'm trying to say is they're rarely caught out of stock on material. And usually when they have stuff in stock, they've got it deep in stock. That link to the cut sheet shows everything important dimensionally about this item. Let's just touch on some of it now. The base itself is 3 inches, regardless of how you're installing it. It's overall 3 inch, as you can see. Okay. Then the holder portion, 1.25 inch base diameter, with a projection of, overall projection of 7/8. It's a little bit less than the tape measure because I've not threaded it all the way down. Okay. Base diameter here, looks like it's about 1.13/16", 1.3", yeah, about 1.13/16". If you have any questions on this Deltana MDH30 and US15 satin nickel magnetic door holder or any other Deltana product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.